Hello everyone. Welcome back to ReactJS interview questions. In this video we are going to discuss the features of ReactJS. Let's explore the resourceful benefits of implementing the React framework in a project. React creates very interactive and dynamic user interface for websites and mobile applications. Create simple views for each state in your application, and React will efficiently update and render just the right components when your data changes. Declarative views make your code more readable and easier to debug. In React, for every DOM object, there is a corresponding virtual DOM object. A virtual DOM object is a representation of a DOM object. It creates a virtual copy of the original DOM. It's a one-way data binding. Hence manipulating the virtual DOM is quick rather than updating original DOM because nothing gets drawn on screen. React creates its own event system which is fully compatible with W3C object model. All browsers' native events are wrapped by instances of synthetic event. It provides a cross-browser interface to a native event. That means you do not need to worry about incompatible event names and fields. Besides, React Event System is implemented through event delegation and also has a pool of event objects to reduce memory overhead. JSX can best be thought of as a markup syntax that very closely resembles HTML. It is more or less like the combination of JavaScript plus XML. JSX makes writing React components, the building blocks of React UI, easier by making the syntax developers use for generating these strings of HTML almost identical to the HTML they will inject into the web page. JSX is one of best ReactJS features. Web developers will always go for an easy way out, which is why this is a great choice for many. React uses one-way data binding with an application architecture called Flux controls. ReactJS helps us update the view for the user and, with Flux, can control the application workflow. Introducing virtual DOM adds advantages where it compares the new data with original DOM and automatically updates the view. React Native is a custom renderer for React, just like React DOM on the web. React Native uses native components instead of web components like React as building blocks. To begin with React Native, you need to know the basic React concepts, like JSX, components, state, and props. If you know React, you still need to learn stuff specific to React Native, like the native components. React Native also gives access to the features these platforms offer, apart from transforming React code to work on iOS and Android. In React everything is component, the web page divided into small components to create a view or UIs. Every part of application's visuals would be wrapped inside a self-contained module known as a component. Since component logic is written in JavaScript instead of templates, you can easily pass rich data through your wrap and keep the state out of the DOM. Components in ReactJS used to define the visuals and interactions in applications. So, up to this point we have discussed about the features of ReactJS. Now we are very much familiar with React and ready to move forward. See you in the next video.